When I was in Portugal, I bought a lot of seeds. I'm curious about the different seeds in different countries. So I'm trying now to plant some seeds from the Portugal as a second sowing of the legumes, beans. So this is the Feijão rasteiro, Ficilius vulgaris, Anelino de Trento. It looks like one of these beans, Italian beans. Barlotti, a little bit like a Barlotti. This one looks like another one example which looks like a Barlotti bean. The seed looks like this. It's got Braganciano or Braganciano. And both seeds look like this. This one is slightly darker. This is another seed bean that I have bought from there. It's from the town of Barcelos, the biggest open market in the world. This is called Harvester, and it gives a kind of white bean, and they're regular and as you see, suitable for supermarket. Another one that I have bought is called haricot bean metro. It grows 1 meter long, and I know that in the Caspian Sea region they grow this easily. It grows up to 1 meter or even longer sometimes, or most of the times actually. So I'm trying now to grow this one also. And beside all of that, I have not tasted any of these beans, so I don't know about the quality. But this is the bean that in the hotel, in the breakfast, when we wanted to have English breakfast, they were giving us this bean. It was very delicious. And now I want to grow this also. I could locate in the Barcelos market, open market, some seeds of this, and immediately about it. This is for eating, but I just bought it for growing. Actually, I didn't buy it. They gave me for free, this one. So I bought other things and they gave me this for free. So this is very, very new for me. So I'm trying to grow this. And when I talked about it with our tour guide, the tour guide told me that actually this is something that she has never seen before, and probably the manager has found something new from South America. Portugal means, for Portugal, that South America means Brazil and those areas. So this potentially is from Brazil, and I'm growing it here. If anybody knows this this bean with this color, light colored bean. You can put the name of it if you know. Please help us to know the name of this. It was very delicious. Now I'm going to plant some of this. Okay, as you see here, I've already removed most of the peas, and I'm going in this place. I'm growing this. Beans that I have, these beans that I have, it's a bean frame. I may grow in between them some more peas. I've not decided. I've left the sweet peas to grow because they're flowering yet, and I will see what they will do. For that, first I will water this soil to moisten it. Then I will dig a hole and put the 4 or 5 beans in each post, so have a lush vegetation growth. So I have now thoroughly 5 or 6 water cans times watered this bed. It is now completely soaked in water. And then I will start to plant them. At each pole, that means one of these bars, I will plant 5 or 6 seeds. So 5 or 6 watering cans completely soak the soil, so they have a good chance of helping germination of the beans. So I have planted some of the seeds What I will do, I will plant some of the seeds in each post, 2, 3 at each post, and I will do this for all the beans. So at each post I will have at least 1 or 2 of these different varieties of seed beans. Then so hopefully they will grow very lush and very abundant. I want to use it mostly for shelling, to use the beans, but if I get any other also some early pods, I may use it for just eating fresh. But because it's now 16th of July, I may end up just using them just for shelling. We will see. This is my second sowing, practically, it means, for this year. The first sowing is this one. And as you see, they go on. Okay, this is the Metro 1 meter long bean, and this is the way the seed looks. The seeds are quite tiny, and I suppose the pods are also tiny, thin and long. So I'm growing it now. They may need a long season. I'm just risking. I will just put a few just to see what they will do. By the way, as I can see, the seeds are treated, so this orange or reddish color is not the actual color of this beans. It may be white or kind of light brown color. So we will see it. If I'm growing it, you will see with me also that how the color will be. This definitely is the color of the treated against the fungi chemicals. Okay, this is the other variety of the borlotti that I got from Portugal, Anelino de Trento, and I'm surprised and I'm pleased to say that almost all the seeds I bought in the package, they're treated. So you see this kind of colors. You see this kind of colors in them. So quite pleased with what we have here. So Anelino de Trento is quite treated. Very tiny seed compared to my finger, but tiny seeds usually, to my experience, means more delicious, more palatable. So we will see. I'm going now to plant this. Okay, this is the seed variety, the bean variety Braganciano or Braganciano from Portugal. Nature Sementes or Natura Sementes. I got it from Portugal, and the information is here. And I'm sowing it as a second sowing of beans. I want it for shelling, so I may not use them for eating fresh. They are giving beautiful pods and lovely borlotti-like beans. So I'm growing also this now. And this is the seed of the bean variety harvester, again from the Portugal, the Barcelos market. As you see here, written Portugal. And I'm now going to open. As you can see, again, the seed is treated. The tiny size of this seed means that probably it's more for using as a pod compared to my finger. So I will try to see how it is. Interesting enough, I noticed that in Portugal the temperatures were lower than here. England is actually warmer than Portugal, or North Portugal that we were in, Porto and those areas. So yeah, the weather here is actually more suitable for this bean to have a quick, fast growth. So I'm giving it a go anyway. Okay, as you see, I've now planted sown different varieties of the seed in each post. For example, here, this post. and I'm covering it now.